Like this?
Yeah. Just like that. North of Kansas City.
Sure. Where is road?
I can't see the road. Barely see the road.
Greg couldn't walk.
No, hell no. Neither could you. I wouldn't let you.
And you work tomorrow, yes? How will you work,
I
John?
don't know how we're going to pull that off. Our vans aren't going to travel in this shit. There's no fucking way. Now, there was a car stuck over here. There was a pickup truck trying to pull them out.
They cleaned the road a little
I
bit.
can see them turning lane. I don't care. No thrift shop today.
It's Sunday.
Yeah, it's Sunday anyway, so close. Look at how quickly this is just icing up. It's terrible. That was driving me nuts.
Nervous? No?
No, I lived in Iowa, I lived in Wyoming. I'm not nervous. I'm just not used to it anymore, that's for sure. I was cruising at about 25, 30 miles an hour. So. Now I'm getting a little... Let's see if I can make this turn. I got it. Gotta love that all-wheel drive. So some of our neighbors are parking down here and walking up the hill. Oh, and that person there is... Do what you're gonna do, pal, because I'm gonna be coming into there. Oh, you're an idiot. Yeah, you might as well just back down here, bud. Are you stuck? He's got all-wheel drive and he's spinning. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. I think he's stuck. Alright, stop recording. I'm going to help him out.
How?
I'll do it.